Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. Next up is the incline start. Now, this maneuver costs many people their tests. You are allowed only one attempt and any backward roll will see you fail. You will have points deducted for wheel spin. This is where your clutch control abilities will be truly tested. If you drive an automatic, you will have an advantage here. First, stop where instructed by the road markings and signage. Do not allow the car to roll back. Now apply the parking brake, select neutral, relax and concentrate. Check your mirrors and if you're turning onto the incline, check your blind spot and indicate. Now select your gear, obtain clutch control, do a 360-degree hazard check and release the parking brake while you keep control of the clutch and gently move off without rolling back. Finally, cancel your signal if required and move to the start of the next yard maneuver while remembering your observations and signals between stations. Well done! You have completed what many believe to be the toughest part of the yard test maneuvers. It's all about synchronizing your parking brake and clutch release in balance with your gentle pressure of the accelerator. But you've got this, right? For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.